Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting clear, informed consent, say why and for how long. Once done, confirm both devices support GPS and have cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity and up-to-date apps. Next, make sure location services are enabled at the system level so the platform can use GPS. Finally, sign into the same trusted account or invite the person to share location through a reputable service. This links devices and initiates the secure sharing process. Once the sharing invitation is accepted, choose whether the link is temporary or ongoing and confirm the visible device name. While monitoring, verify accuracy by checking GPS lock, Wi-Fi fixes, and cellular signal strength. Discrepancies point to poor reception rather than system failure. Make sure the app has background location permission and battery optimizations won't suspend updates. If you need more granular timing, set refresh intervals where supported. This keeps position data current without draining the battery. To finish, confirm the sharing session details with the person and set a clear end time, keeping records of consent. If the goal is locating a lost or stolen device, prefer official device finder tools or carrier services that require proof of ownership. If location isn't appearing, try basic troubleshooting. Toggle location, restart the device, update maps and the sharing app, and move to an open area for better satellite lock. If problems persist, contact the platform's support for guided help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.